Hello everyone and welcome to our H3C Practice Lab course on this channel. In this course we will cover the fundamentals of network configuration and troubleshooting using H3C devices. I'm really excited to share this knowledge with you and help you to take your networking skills to the next level. For our labs, we will use the H3C Cloud Lab, which you can download from the link in the description below. In the episode 1, we will focus on how to configure alias commands in the command prompt on any H3C device. The background of this is that we often use certain commands frequently, or we come from the Cisco background and we are used to commands like show instead of display. So first, we will create a network device and power it on. Okay, when is our device running, we go to the command line interface. And after initial setup, we will skip for now. We will first do display alias to see the current alias which is configured. So for example, for the display, we can use also the show. So if you write show, it will run display. Okay, so let's create our own some command. For example, we don't want to use system view command to go to the privilege mode. We will instead use, like in Cisco, enable. So let's go to system view. Then alias, now the word, so enable, and then command system view, enter. When we exit on the previous level, and now if we tape enable, it will run system view. So if you are coming from the Cisco background, it will be easier for you if you do this. So this feature can be also very useful for making your work faster and more efficient. Thank you for watching this video from our H3C Practice Lab course. We hope you found it informative and valuable. To continue your learning, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.